Dr. Blumenthal back here at DC office, Natural Transplants. We have KT with us. KT had a surgery about 2 weeks ago. He's here for his suture removal. At the time of the surgery, you weren't comfortable doing a video, but today you said let's do it. So
yeah,
we are here. So this is actually kind of a unique time. We don't typically interview patients after, so this is great.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And so you had your procedure about 2 weeks ago. Mm-hmm. How was that? Just let's kind of start there.
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Good.
I have a high pain tolerance, but even then, with that, it still wasn't uncomfortable. You guys made it very set a nice atmosphere. You guys are very kind, and everything was smooth.
Awesome. And then how about the last 2 weeks?
Last 2 weeks,
the good, bad, and ugly.
The first 3 days is a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
For me, it wasn't nothing crazy.
Okay.
And then after that, just constantly cleaning, taking care, being careful what you do.
Yeah.
Not doing too much. So just as long as you follow the game plan that's laid out, everything goes out smooth.
Awesome, man. Looks great. And I love, I'm going to just kind of zoom in here. I love the line that we have on you. And we talked about it. We're 2 weeks out. He has still some scabs there. He was pretty
really gentle. I was really gentle
on the graft, so which is not unusual. A lot of people are. And I'd rather you be too gentle than too hard. But at this point, as we talked about, he's going to be much more aggressive and kind of get this
knock
graft
those scabs off.
Yeah, in the next 3 days, they'll probably all be gone. They're ready to come out. And I'm just going to zoom in on the stitches. We took the stitches out. And so this is what it looks like with the stitches out. You see there's a little bit of redness left over, which is normal. But it's hard to see even in some areas. And it's literally was just there, and also that part shaved. So once this part grows out, and after a couple of weeks when the irritation, redness go away, you'll never see that, man. It'll be great. You could even go super short.
Perfect.
Yeah, looks great, man. I love it.
No, I appreciate you.
So we'll keep checking in. Next time we check in with you, it'll be 4 months, but appreciate you doing this. Hopefully we can see you at a year and see the results, and it'll look awesome.
Can't wait.
All right, KT. Thanks, man.
Yep.
All right.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.